This is a very easy to use free drum VST plugin that comes with 40 kits and it's comprised of all royalty-free drum samples. If you make electronic styles of music, I'm sure you'll find a kit that fits your needs in here. Now, the Audiolatry Drum 8 is available on Windows or Mac in VST, VST3, and AU formats. Now, one thing to note for Mac users is it's available from El Capitan to Mojave. Now let's check out some of the sounds of Audiolatry Drum 8 to see what it's all about, and then I'll go over some of the details of the features and the user interface. So we'll start with the start kit here. All right, so you can see there's a ton of sounds in here, and I'm sure you'll find a kit that suits your needs. Now, let's go over this user interface. So everything over on this side here controls the individual samples, and up here is the global parameters. Now, obviously, this is your kit browser here, so you can click and select whatever kit you want in there. And then down here, this is for the individual samples. So right now we're on the kick. And if we lower the gain here, it lowers the gain of just that sample, not all the drums. So, and same with the attack. This is just for whatever sample you're on. So you can change the sample by clicking there and choosing whatever drum pad you want to choose. And then the same thing with the pan down here. This is for panning the individual drum sample. Now, if you want to use multi-output mode, you would just click on whatever sample you want. Let's say 2. Then I would go down here and I would put that to track 2. Now watch when I hit the snare. It's coming out on track 2 here. Now, I have this already set up in a wrapper, and your DAW might be different with how you set that up. So I'm not going to show you the actual setup in the DAW. I have done it with this particular one, Waveform. So I'll link a video down below in case you want to see how to do that in Waveform. And I also have another one for Cakewalk. I'll link to that video as well. Now, the multi-output feature for me is a must-have on any drum plugin. It allows you to add compressors, EQs, and whatever effects to each drum individually on its own track, and then you can control the levels in there. It gives you a lot more control over your drum sound. Now, up here we have our global settings, so you have your overall gain for the entire plugin. And then you have a low-pass filter here. And then you have a global reverb. It's a really nice free drum VST plugin, comes with the 40 kits, which is incredible, and it has some very nice features built right into it. Check out some more of the best free drum VST plugins by clicking the video on the screen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. For Audio Tech TV, I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.